What's up, guys? Welcome to It's
Whatever Mukbang.
And today we're eating the all-anticipated
What you been waiting for?
Popeyes. What is this? Popeyes?
What? What'd you say?
Popeyes chicken sandwich?
Popeyes, bro. Look at that Popeyes.
How long did you wait in
Look
line?
at. I was in line for like a good 27 minutes. Oh, I counted all the time.
This is greasy.
Hey, what do you think about the presentation?
Please deluxe.
What do you think about the presentation? Like
I'm hungry, bro.
Oh. How's it look? Show it to the camera, man. You're the closest one to the camera. Just be like, yeah, it looks pretty small, bro. I thought it was bigger. Unless they're cheaping out, huh? Hey, thumbnail, bro. All right, man. Let's try this. Let's see what's up. Yeah, I haven't eaten in 24 hours. Oh. Bro. Bro, it's amazing, man. What do you think?
I think you're overhyping it. It's good.
I think mine's just bigger than yours, right?
It's like a Krabby Patty.
Oh, what? Krabby Patty, bro.
Krabby Patty.
But it's not made of chicken. Is it Krabby Patty? Isn't it beef? Or wasn't it plankton? Remember they were saying plankton? Oh man, well, this burger is good though. I definitely would choose this over Chick-fil-A. That's all I gotta say about that.
Why did they go? They stopped making this for like a whole month or something?
I think it was like 3 months, bro, or 2, 3. I don't know.
How did that happen?
I think what happened, bro, they went back into like their factory and then let's go hard. They made a lot of them. They finally realized how much the people like them, you know. Man, you look tired, huh? What you been up to, bro? Working for the man, right?
You just got one, and I'm hungry. So I have to go back and get another one.
What? No, I'm not waiting on that, bro. It's good though, man. I kind of want to show the camera. Oh, it's good, bro.
How much is it? $4?
It's about $4, yeah.
What about the meal? Was that $5?
I was not down for the meal. I was like, nah.
What the half price? Early price?
I came for the sandwich, boy. You know why I'm here. Huh. I feel like saying that when I was at the drive-thru window. You know why I'm here.
Was it the same girl that? Last time there was a girl who knows. I've only been there twice. The girl already knows what it
Yeah, last time we went to Popeyes, and this girl knew that I got number 4. On 2 breasts, 2 legs. She knew it already. I was like, what? I got a stalker on me, huh? Louisiana.
a little bit wet, no? Like, a little bit sloppy, a little soggy. Just how it fast.
I got mine with no pickles. You get pickle?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't like pickles, bro.
You can't be a chicken sandwich without pickles.
It's better for sure, bro. The chicken just looks real, bro. Looks like a breast, you know? Not that silicone breast, you know? Yeah, overall, what do you think? Rating?
I wouldn't eat another one.
Yeah, I'm down for another one. Honestly, I give it an 8.5, bro.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Yeah. Yeah. I thought it'd be bigger, to be honest, though. Maybe they gave it to the small ones, like, I don't know.
No, they give it the same size.
I'm talking about the chicken sandwich size, like, you can't make it constant, you know? Like, the breasts are always different sizes.
And it should say something special in this, like something. Something I've been waiting for or something.
Thanks for the wait. Yeah, thanks for waiting, guys. Something like that. But, oh, then I didn't even check, like, through the headphones how my smacking. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all of them were, bro. Yeah.
Imagine if, like, it died down. You know, like, they're like, okay, we're gonna reevaluate the process and we're gonna have these machines that can take them 30 seconds. onto the next Twitter trend.
Yeah, I think they might have paid Twitter. Popeyes paid Twitter to start promoting. I'm talking about millions, bro. 'Cause-
Really?
Yeah. Cause think about it. Think about like KFC, churches. What else? What is this? They're like they're all kind of like stagnant.
Wendy's?
Huh?
Wendy's?
Wendy's, it's not a chicken place. I'm talking about chicken, bro. Oh, I thought you were talking about sandwich place.
Twitter.
Oh.
Wendy's goes hard on Twitter.
But that wasn't my point. My point was that like KFC and
Is
them.
it spicy?
I didn't taste no spicy. I did spicy.
It says too spicy.
Yeah, I got them spicy. I don't know.
Yeah, it did not taste spicy.
Didn't taste spicy.
And what is the non-spicy?
There was a classic one. I don't know. I usually like spicy.
Is it the deluxe?
They don't offer that.
No, about the deluxe?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ethan said the deluxe one. You know how he gets all fat when he's eating?
Ethan.
It's probably just
I saw the Halloween episode.
the deluxe one.
Yeah. You ate it already?
That shit is gone.
Damn, boy.
Bagging ticket. That's it. I want like a Happy Meal or something. Damn. I need a little toy, a little Mario. Sonic the Hedgehog movie's coming out. Something like that. Damn, or at least a picture of the Louisiana lady or something.
Put a thick thought on
Put
there.
something on it. Damn it.
Chick-fil-A doesn't have anything either.
They have a little box. And they say my pleasure. Did they
What
say
box?
my pleasure?
I
They didn't say
guess you
nothing.
said have a good night, and I said you too. That's pretty respect. Like that's pretty good, right?
Is that the holiday?
Hey, he said have a good night, bro. I kind of got a little boner here. No, I'm playing.
Yeah,
I'm
boy.
playing, bro. Yeah, overall, I think it was good, guys. You should definitely, if you haven't tried it yet, it's worth the hype. It's pretty good.
Hey, so
But buy
basically-
two of them. Don't buy one.
Basically, this video, like, it was just clickbait. So, that's it. The content sucks. Just clickbait.
I mean, it's a mukbang. We're eating.
Fucking eating.
Bro, people
Yeah.
love it. Didn't you hear on H3 that they love when Ethan like eats shit? Like in the comment section. You're like Ela, bro. She doesn't like it. She's like, oh yeah, I don't like
I
it.
don't like eating chewing on my
Well, that's
nails.
on you, bro. Huh? That's on you. To this day.
Alright, I'm gonna go get another one. I think the nearest Popeyes is like 2 miles from here.
All
So,
right, guys. Thanks for watching.
like it or not,
Watch it or not.
eat it or not,
It's
whatever.
What?
Subscribe.